Asterisk. Asterisk. You will be wondering why I am starting with Ontario province. It is because I live there and I thought of educating you about it first only for that reason. So let us start. I will talk about it in many parts. Here I start with part 1. Understanding Ontario, the heart of Canada. Asterisk, asterisk. Friends, today I begin a very important journey, a journey to understand Canada province by province. And it is only right that we begin with Ontario. Ontario is not just a province. Ontario is the economic, political, and population heart of Canada. Let us understand Ontario slowly, clearly, and with respect. Where is Ontario located? Ontario is located in central eastern Canada. It shares borders with Quebec to the east, Manitoba to the west, and several US states to the south, including New York, Michigan, Ohio, and Minnesota. Ontario also borders four of the five Great Lakes: Lake Superior, Lake Huron, Lake Erie, and Lake Ontario. This location gave Ontario natural transportation routes, trade access, and long-term prosperity. Size and area of Ontario. Ontario is massive. Its total area is about 1.07 million square kilometers. To give perspective, Ontario alone is larger than France and Spain combined. Yet many people think of it as only Toronto. That is a mistake. Northern Ontario itself is larger than many countries. Population of Ontario. Ontario is the most populated province in Canada. Its population is about 15.5 to 16 million people. That means roughly 4 out of every 10 Canadians live in Ontario. This population strength makes Ontario politically and economically very influential. Major cities and urban centers. Toronto is Ontario's capital city and Canada's largest city. Other major cities include Ottawa, the capital of Canada, Mississauga, Brampton, Hamilton, London, Kitchener, Waterloo, Windsor, Sudbury, Thunder Bay. Each city contributes differently to Ontario's economy and culture. Municipal structure of Ontario. Ontario has a very detailed local governance system. There are about 444 municipalities in Ontario. These include cities, towns, townships, and regional municipalities. Local governments handle roads, water, transit, policing, and community services. This strong municipal structure keeps governance close to the people. Political representation. Ontario has 124 members of provincial parliament known as MPPs. These representatives sit in the Legislative Assembly of Ontario in Toronto. Because of its population size, Ontario also sends the largest number of members of parliament to the federal government in Ottawa. This gives Ontario enormous influence in national decision making. Why Ontario became so powerful? Ontario's rise was not accidental. Its location near the US border, access to fresh water, strong transportation routes, skilled immigrants, and stable governance all worked together. Ontario became Canada's engine, closing calm and visionary friends. Today we understood Ontario's land, people, and structure. This was only the foundation. In the next video, we will go deeper into what Ontario produces, what it manufactures, its minerals, forests, agriculture, and energy. Only then will we truly understand why Ontario drives Canada. Stay connected. Knowledge builds respect, and respect builds nations.